What's up, everyone? Welcome back at Tom Yum Lechon. It's me, your opera. I got girl here, my guest. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm good.
Introduce yourself to our viewer.
Hi guys, my name is Apple. I'm 25 years old.
Join patreon.com slash Tom Yum Lechon. Keep joining to our Patreon. Do you have kids? Are you married?
No, not married, but I have one kid, uh,
From Filipino or foreigner?
Filipino.
How old is your baby?
I'm 7 years old.
And you get pregnant when you were 18?
Yeah, 18.
That's, where's the father?
Um, he's in the province, not here.
Is he your boyfriend or did you guys live together?
He's my boyfriend.
When you get pregnant, did you live with him?
Yeah, we lived together for 2 months. Then I got pregnant.
And when you get pregnant, right? Did you support the baby?
No, we fight every day, and I leave him
Why you guys fight every day?
because he don't have work, and
You know that you don't have a work when you meet. You don't have a work when you meet him.
when we met him, he have work, but when we have a baby na,
So kind of a job he got when you
ice cream vendor,
ice cream vendor. Okay, that's not a good salary.
yeah, that good salary.
What's your parents say when you get pregnant at age of 18?
Nothing. They just support me
That's good.
because the baby's inside of me, so they don't have nothing to do about it.
Can you show stand up and turn around at work? You didn't have to do it. Oh, just kidding. So he didn't support you when you get pregnant,
No,
baby milk, no.
no, only my family. When the baby is came out, only breastfeeding, not
You breastfeed.
mm,
It's a boy or girl?
girl.
You breastfeed. Okay, that's good. It's healthy.
Yeah,
How long you been breastfeeding her? How many years? 2 years
two
or
years and 3 months. Yeah, 2 years and 3 months.
before you get pregnant, you had any before you have given birth to your firstborn, you had relationship with the other Filipino guy?
No, until my daughter age 4, I didn't have relationship. Only now.
Mm. Okay, that's good that you stick to your children. And did you find job after you give
Yeah,
birth? Or
I found job in Manila as a house, housemate. Then I leave my children to my family. Then I go to Manila. Then come here in Pampanga.
how many years you were here at Angeles City?
Hmm, maybe 3 years.
In 3 years, you never stopped working in her?
No,
For real?
yeah,
Why?
because I need to support my
Okay, we get that you need to support your child. No
yeah.
one ever take you out in a bar.
Sometimes
No, I mean like a real girlfriend, boyfriend.
no,
What?
nothing. I don't have a boyfriend here.
No, a partner, guess they never, you never had relationship with a partner?
No, I don't want.
You don't want, but you sleep with a partner. What's the difference?
The difference is when you sleep with the partner, then you can go home. There's no
Or
relationship.
or maybe no one just wants you to be their
Yeah.
girlfriend. I'm right.
No, yeah.
That's the reason no one will be your steady bar fine.
Yeah.
Why you think they never ever had a relationship with you?
I don't know. I'm
You
not
see
sure.
any problem or
No, there's no problem. Maybe I don't want to.
maybe you don't want to or they just don't want to
Yeah.
take you out in a bar. That's why, right? But it's sad 3 years, but
Mm.
I hope you understand. I hope you'll change your job the way you're living because your age is your child is 7 years old and she growing up and you're not gonna let her seeing you working in bar.
Yeah.
Where's she at now?
In our house.
She's here at
She's here
Angie.
in Angeles.
See, she's 7 years old. She do study.
Yeah. Studying now grade one.
7 years old. Okay. Yeah, I hope you find a better job because your daughter is growing up
Yeah.
and you're not gonna let her seeing you when she getting old will see you working in bar. Like what's my mom doing? You know her at Philippines. If some of the children are they discriminate or they racist. So same Filipino.
Yeah.
So if you're poor and you have a classmate who rich kasi mga ano sila. What's your bar fine current bar fine amount?
Um, 5,000 for the long time, 3,000 for short time.
Do you work in Korean bar or
Korean
American?
bar,
What's mostly your customer?
Korean and Japanese.
Mm, That's but I thought Korean doesn't like woman that has baby.
It depends on the body of the girl. If the Korean know that you have a baby,
See, but your boobs, they will find out that you have a baby because you're been
breastfeeding,
breastfeeding for 2 years.
they
No,
didn't find out.
maybe they're just stupid, right? Sorry, because you can tell someone that if you're breastfeeding, right?
Yeah.
Alam na alam mo kasi, di ba, na nag-breastfeed ka. Baka bobo lang talaga sila. Joke lang. So, mostly Korean.
Korean, Japanese.
Long time is 5K?
Mm,
Short time?
3,000.
3,000. How much do you get in 3K?
3K, 2, 3. Yeah, 2, 3. No. 1,700, 1,700.
Shock naman ako dun sa 700 lang napunta dun sa bar. Walang bar papayag nun.
Doon pala sa 5,000 yan.
Sa 3,000. Sa
5,000.
N5K, you get 2,300. And the bar get
Ah,
2,700?
mm,
Yeah, 2,700. Wonder why. Yeah, we are. So, I wonder why they always get more than the girls. No, they not the one gonna open their fucking legs. Maybe for their salary. Ano. How many times you get bar pen in a week?
in a week, maybe 2 or 3.
That's every week or no?
No. Sometimes 1 week there's no bar finding.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe sometimes 1 week 3 times like that, 4 times.
Do you freelance? Do you do freelance too? For real?
Mm.
Do you go to Mega Dance?
Mega dance yun.
With who? With who?
With my girlfriend Jake.
Ah, okay. I know his boyfriend. Okay, that's cool. How long you been in a relationship with him?
4 months.
That's good. So she's not working.
No.
He's nice. Like he's nice, right? That's good. Do you want to have more kids with ano?
That,
With Filipino guy or what?
no. I don't have plan now.
Do you had bad experience with the foreigners?
No.
Which nationality do you like? The
Japanese.
white Japanese instead of white guy or black American?
No. I go to black and white guy.
Why?
I just don't like.
You don't like them to smash them? Why you don't like it?
My cousin said if you don't want to smash they will smash you. I like that. So don't go to black and white guy. Just
And you
Korean and
believe it?
Japanese.
Not all black and white people are bad, as she said. Okay? Maybe she just don't want you. That's why you stick with the small dick.
Yeah. She just said white guy and the black guy have big dick, so don't go with them.
What's wrong with having a big dick inside your vagina instead of 3 inches? Can you come in 3 inch? Too oh my god. Does Korean have you had encounter with Korean that has big
No.
babies? No? Is it real that they are 333?
Not
3K,
not
3 minutes,
uh
3 times.
hmm?
3K, 3 minutes.
Yeah. They're just faster. They come faster than the others.
Then you never enjoyed?
Yeah. That's only for for fine only. Then when they get come, you can go home.
And you happy what you're doing?
I'm not happy, but
No, I mean you're happy like you do. Just go on and
yeah, I'm happy because I can go home as early as I can.
for short time.
Mm-hmm. For a short time.
Mm. Yeah, she don't like BBC. She don't like big daku. She don't like she just like 3 inches. It's for real, it's 3 inches. No, like this ba or this?
No.
Huh?
Sometimes only 3 inches, but just like big, but no, it's okay.
You happy naman? Can
Yeah.
you come?
No.
No? Who make you come? Your boyfriend?
Yeah. Only my boyfriend, not the customers.
Does Korean lick vagina?
No.
Never? Why?
I don't
Some
know.
do.
Maybe some other Koreans, but the guest,
It's true, right? That they never take shower.
I
Some of
know.
the Koreans they don't take shower, they just rinse water in their head
Yeah.
and use that of
Mm.
perfume. Ew, dirty motherfucker. Do they wash their teeth?
The others, but the others, no.
Yeah, for real. That's for real, guys. And there is oh, this is stink. Okay.
Because they eating garlic.
Well, it's good eating a garlic, but you should know how to brush your
Yeah.
teeth. Right? That's it's not funny anyway. I don't know how they handle it. How do you handle someone like that that they have bad breath?
No, if they have bad breath, I will talk to them. Then I will tell them that you can brush your teeth like that. So in not
Even they brush their teeth, they
not
still
in the
smell it.
offended way, but in the good way. You tell them
Even they brush their teeth, you can still smell it,
yeah,
right?
it's okay.
That's okay. And you kiss them.
No, the
Yeah.
Korean guys sometimes they don't want to kiss,
Mm,
so that's a
that's
go.
good.
That's good.
That's good that you don't kiss because you don't know how many times they brush their teeth in a week. Maybe once a week. Oh, if you working, who watch your kids? Your boyfriend?
Yeah.
And you give him money too?
No. Um, if they need something, they she going to tell me what she going to tell me what she need. Then I'm gonna give them money.
Cool. So that's good. That is good, and you're good to her. Ah, I'll you. Does she believe true love or just good sex? Do you believe in true love or good sex? A true love with a good sex, it's
Yeah.
fine. Are you in love with your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Good luck. That's good. So your girlfriend is the one taking care of your daughter. What's your hobby except having sex?
Nothing. Just watching YouTube every day.
You don't know how to cook? Or you don't cook,
I know how to cook,
but
but
you don't
I
cook.
don't cook because my boyfriend is a good cook.
Yeah, no, oh, I don't care if my boyfriend is a good cook. If you really wanna, if you love cooking, you'll do it. Who wash your clothes? Your boyfriend.
Alternate. Sometimes me, sometimes my boyfriend.
Okay, that's good. How many times do you change panty a day?
Change panty 3 times.
For real?
Mhm.
How many panty you got in there now?
Nothing.
For real?
Yeah. I don't like wearing panty.
Well, can I see? I don't have. Okay, that's good. You should get shorts. Yeah, because it's nothing, di ba? Why you pack wearing panty? But you wear bra.
Yeah.
I don't like wearing panty and bra. I don't how cute. Oh, so it's your girlfriend. She has a lesbian girlfriend. Does she ano wear tibak?
No. She's wearing brief and a boxer.
Does she use your bra?
No.
No,
Hindi ka siya sa akin.
it's not gonna fit on her. Why?
She's too big for the bra.
Okay, that's good. Do you what beside ano sports? What kind of sports do you like?
Volleyball.
Do you play volleyball?
Yeah.
When the last time you played volleyball?
Maybe high school.
Yeah, that's what long time
Yeah,
ago.
long time ago.
You like it, but you never play it. If you really
Mhm.
like it, you will play it. Because where you live, it has covered court there, right?
Yeah. Busy,
So why don't you play with your boyfriend?
busy of work.
You got day off, di ba? What do you do in day off? Drinking
Yeah, drinking together. Just in the house.
with your friends.
Yeah, with my friends.
What's make you happy in real life?
My daughter and my girlfriend, my mom.
What's your biggest dream in life that you want to achieve?
Maybe I want to have my family. I want to have a good business for my family so
For
that
your family? What
yeah,
kind of business?
just maybe a small sari store like that because we live in the province.
Mm-hmm.
Province don't have that big sari store, so I want to help my family.
How many siblings do you have?
Or
Are you married?
no,
So who helped your parents beside you?
only me. And
That's why you need to get
yeah,
more customer.
no, I get so much customer, but
But you trying, di ba? To get
trying.
to
Yeah,
help them. Even your sister, your brothers.
they don't help my mother.
No, you help them.
Yeah, because they go to school.
Are you the
Like this.
younger, oldest? Oh, okay, kaya pala. That's not. How old is your parents?
My mother is 47. My father is died now. When I was 13, but I have a stepfather. He's 42.
He's working or not?
He's working.
What about your mom? She's still young.
Yeah, my mother have a small baby, so she can't work.
At age of 47?
Yeah,
Okay. That's why. And what's your stepfather work?
farmer.
It's hard in province that
Yeah,
you're a farmer, right? They never ever think to move into cities so they can find a better job
they don't want.
because
I don't know. I told them that they can come here, but
maybe they know that there it's the life here it's more hard than in the
Yeah.
province because there in province you can just grow cassava like that and can get fish for free. You
Yeah.
just go to the here at Angeles or in the city you have to pay everything. Even there's no free water. Puso
Mm.
na. She already do this stand up. Talmayo ka pa daw, Bi. Kung ayaw mo na gawin, okay lang.
Hindi, okay lang po.
Oh, sige, go. Oh. What's your, do you know how to sing?
No. Nagagod tayo to sing.
She don't know how to sing. Dancing, okay, because you're a dancer now.
I'm just a model. I'm not a dancer.
You guys don't dance?
Only just modeling.
Okay, that's good. That's your, ano, you don't have, you don't have, what is it? You don't have sports or no, talent.
I
A
don't have
hobby
talent.
is watching YouTube. You should change that hobby. You should, when it's your day off, do you spend time with your kids or you take her to mall?
We go outside. We play outside. And if we have extra money, we go shopping.
Do
Like
you
that.
really trust your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Because here at, I just saw a news time last day that her woman leave her kids, three kids, to her new partner, and she's in abroad, and that guy was he killed the kids.
Yeah.
Some of stupid Filipino. I don't know why they do that shit. They're not ashamed. They like killing younger. They like killing kids, rape. The fuck them. I hope the penalty is back so they all died. Diba? Wala na. Oo, it's true that she left her kids to what does she prefer being treated like a queen or a princess?
I have a princess, so I like to be a
Queen of what? Queen of what?
queen of our house.
Or Queen of BG? But you can't get okay. Let's do fast. Sex or chocolates?
Chocolate.
Yeah, cause having sex with the Korean, you're not ever enjoying. Do you orgasm?
Yeah.
A good orgasm?
Yeah.
With is it in a Korean or in your girlfriend,
My
right?
girlfriend.
For real?
Mm.
Okay, that's good. Do you know when you're ready to come? You know that you come already, or it's really good orgasm?
I know.
Some of the girls they don't know. How many times a day?
Sometimes three.
Three?
Yeah.
So, best time to have sex. Anytime.
Anytime.
Spit or swallow.
Swallow.
Have you done it
Yeah.
with the Korean?
No.
Filipino?
Japanese one time.
When the last time you had sex with Filipino?
A year ago.
A boyfriend or a one night stand?
Boyfriend.
Okay, so you still didn't learn from Filipino? San Miguel Red Horse.
Red horse.
What kind what liquor makes you say that you don't want to drink it again?
Tequila.
Damn, I love tequila. Really?
Mm.
You don't love you like Red Horse? Tequila is better. Tuba or Red Horse?
Tuba. Mas matapa yung tuba.
Gin or Red Horse?
Gin.
Gin bilog. Okay, that's good. What else do you want to share with us? If you find customer there, wa- go to walking street and find her there.
Just find me in the walking street and just a mega dance.
Okay, good luck. Good luck for your ano. searching for a true love. Are you planning to get married?
No, not yet.
But one day you're hoping.
Yeah,
Okay, do you want to have more kids?
kids, no.
Why not?
I'm I'm okay with my daughter now.
From for now, right? But in the future, you might need
Yeah.
one. Okay, that's good. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. We gotta go. I have one more or two more. Thank you for tuning in. Join patreon.com/TomYumLechon. Keep joining. I appreciate you all. Babush! See ya! Sabi mo, babe. Join patreon.com/TomYumLechon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. 1, 2, 3, go.